IPOs and public issues on the internet. First, you need to go to the website www.bseindia.com. Then we click on Public Issues OFS. Then under that we click on Public Issues Watch. So we see a lot of companies coming up with their book building process. Say for instance, Innovative Ideals and Services Limited is coming at book building. The offer price is between 36 to 40. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers, the offer price is between 115 to 118, and like that. We see McLeod Russell coming up with a buyback at 210 rupees. So this is a consolidated list of all the companies who are coming up with book building, fixed price, buyback, OTB, etc. Then we click on BRHP on the left section. Under that we click on equity issues. There we see a lot of companies coming up with an IPO, for instance, Artex, Solonics Limited, Anand Rathi Wealth Services Limited, Angel Broking Limited. Now if you click on Angel Broking Limited, we see a prospectus opens up. It contains all the different details about the company. For instance, a face value of 10 rupees each. Then its book running lead managers are ICICI Securities, Edelweiss, SBI Capital Markets, Link Intime. Under table of contents, we see risk factors, which is very important considering that you are an investor. Then you can go through about our company, our businesses, regulations and policies, financial information. Now financial information is extremely important because you get to study the P&L and the balance sheet of the company for the last 5 years. It helps in making your investment decisions sound. If we click on any one, we'll get to know about the details. For instance, if I click on risk factors, I'll get to know about the company's risks, like general economic and market conditions in India and globally could have a material adverse effect on our business, financial condition, cash flows, results of operations and prospects. We can see that we are subject to extensive statutory and regulatory requirements and supervision which have material influence on and consequences for our business operations. Similarly, there are other points which one can study. Then we can go back and study. Once again, we click on Angel Broking Limited and we could study about the financials of the company. Financial information, we click over here and we see financial indebtedness of the company, and we see a whole lot of other details over here. Similarly, we can do this for the other companies as well which are coming up with an IPO. Now you as an investor need to study the draft red herring prospectus extremely carefully in order to make a right decision when it comes to investment. With this, we come to the end of this unit. Until then, goodbye.